Nitric acid preparation properties. Preparation of nitric acid. Nitric acid is prepared by heating equal amounts of potassium or sodium nitrate with concentrated sulfuric acid KNO3, that is potassium nitrate, plus H2SO4 gives KHSO4 plus HNO3. HNO3 is nitric acid. Potassium nitrate plus sulfuric acid gives potassium hydrogen sulfate plus nitric acid. The temperature is kept as low as possible to avoid decomposition of nitric acid. The acid condenses to a fuming liquid which is colored brown by the presence of a little nitrogen dioxide which is formed due to the decomposition of nitric acid. 4HNO3 gives 4NO2 plus 2H2O plus O2. The brown color is due to NO2. Commercial method of preparation. Nitric acid prepared in large scale using Ostwald's process. In this method, ammonia from Haber's process is mixed about 10 times of air. This mixture is preheated and passed into the catalyzed chamber where they come in contact with platinum gas. The temperature rises to about 1275 Kelvin and the metallic gas brings about the rapid catalytic oxidation of ammonia resulting in the formation of NO, which then oxidizes to nitrogen dioxide. 4NH3 plus 5O2 gives 4NO plus 6H2O plus 120 kilojoule. 2NO plus O2 gives 2NO2. The nitrogen dioxide produced is passed through a series of adsorption towers. It reacts with water to give nitric acid. Nitric oxide formed is bleached by blowing air. 3NO2 plus H2O gives 2HNO3 plus NO. Properties. Pure nitric acid is colorless. It boils at 86 degrees centigrade. The acid is completely miscible with water, forming a constant boiling mixture. That is 98% of HNO3, boiling point 120.5 degrees centigrade. Fuming nitric acid contains oxides of nitrogen. It decomposes on exposure to sunlight or on being heated into nitrogen dioxide, water and oxygen. 4HNO3 gives 4NO2 plus 2H2O plus O2. Due to this reaction, pure acid or its concentrated solution becomes yellow or standing. In most of the reactions, nitric acid acts as an oxidizing agent. Hence, the oxidation state changes from +5 to a lower one. It doesn't yield hydrogen in its reaction with metals. Nitric acid can act as an acid, an oxidizing agent, and a nitrating agent. As an acid, like other acids, it reacts with the base and basic oxide to form salts and waters. Water. ZnO plus 2HNO3 gives ZnNO3 twice plus H2O. 3FeO plus 10HNO3 gives 3FeNO3 thrice plus NO plus 5H2O. As an oxidizing agent, the nonmetals like carbon, sulfur, phosphorus and iodine are oxidized by nitric acid. C plus 4HNO3 gives CO2 plus 2H2O plus 4NO2. S plus 2HNO3 gives H2SO4 plus 2NO. P4 plus 20HNO3 gives 4H3PO4 plus 4H2O plus 20NO2. 3I2 plus 10HNO3 gives 6HiO3 plus 10NO plus 2H2O. HNO3 plus F2 gives HF plus NO3F. 3H2S plus 2HNO3 gives 3S plus NO plus 4H2O. As a nitrating agent, in organic compounds, replacement of H atom with NO2 is often referred as nitration. For example, C6H6 plus HNO3 gives H2SO4, C6H5NO2 plus H2O. Nitration takes place due to the formation of nitronium ion. HNO3 plus H2SO4 gives NO2 plus H2O plus HSO4 minus. Action of nitric acid on metals. All metals with the exception of gold, platinum, rhodium, iridium and tantalum reacts with nitric acid. Nitric acid oxidizes the metals. Some metals such as aluminium, iron, cobalt, nickel and chromium are reduced passive in concentrated acid due to the formation of layer of oxides on the metal surface, which prevents the nitric acid from reacting with pure metal. With weak electropositive metals like tin, arsenic, antimony, tungsten and molybdenum, nitric acid gives metal oxides in which the metal is in the higher oxidation state and the acid is reduced to a lower oxidation state. The most common products evolved when nitric acid reacts with the metal are gases NO2, NO and H2O. Occasionally, N2, NH2OH and N3 are also formed. Here, HNO3 oxidation state plus 5, NO2 oxidation state plus 4, HNO2 oxidation state plus 3, NO oxidation state plus 2, N2O oxidation state plus 1, N2 oxidation state 0, NH3 oxidation state minus 3. The reactions of metals with nitric acid are explained in 3 steps as follows.